going into the land of China we go. So we are in the dollar store. We are looking to buy stuff so we can mod cubes. This is
$1 million brands.
So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing our first episode of Cube Wars, where we will wander around a store looking for stuff that we can use to mod a cube.
Okay, why don't we just talk over this part?
Well, look, there's the dollar store cubes. Man, those stickers. Okay, we're going to do some more shopping, and we will be back. So we are outside of the dollar store. He is getting his stuff out. So I have gotten my 4 items. We both had a limit of $5. So I bought the candles so I can melt down the wax and use that as a filler. I bought the styrofoam so I can use it to build up the pieces. And I got the black nail polish so I can paint the stuff. And I'm just going to have to try and salvage these stickers off of this thing. Oh, wait, can I feel yours? Your cube? That was something, I think, just like exploding. Okay, so I'll let him do his explaining on his part.
Here's my $5 worth of stuff and this crappy $1 cube. This is to extend part of the cube. I'm going to use this to color it in so it looks nicer. And the Play-Doh is for filling up the pieces. And I think I'm going to print out stickers, but I'm not sure. Yeah.
Runs through me and I feel so weak. So light me up.
So after several hours of burning and making my fingers sticky with some bad words in there, I completed a modification to a 3x3 from the dollar store. And I will tell you right now, the candle was useless. I'm going to return the nail polish because it wasn't used at all. The foam was useless, and I just want to light this thing on fire. So here, let me show you. You have to be very fragile with it. It does function slightly. It functions, just trust me, guys. So, and then this layer right here can turn, and then that explodes, kind of. So it works. It works totally. So I will now let you look at the other cube that was modded.
After several hours of listening to my friend curse and uttering a couple of my own, I've finished this monstrosity. And the good thing is it still works about as well, except for this side. It works about as well as the dollar store one used to. The nail polish was sort of useful. The foam was useful. The Play-Doh was completely useless. And, yeah. I'm gonna try this side now, too.
Should just light it on fire.